Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to unveil your Facebook password. So before we get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to my channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about Facebook tutorial, you'll be able to learn one or two things in the video. And in today's video, you need to have Android phone before you can actually unveil your Facebook password. So one of the reasons why we do all this stuff is that maybe you are trying to log in into your Facebook account, you forgot your Facebook password, and you don't want to go through the process of resetting up your password. All you have to do is to pick up your Android phone and search for your Facebook password without any stress. So let's get to the practical started and see how you can unveil your Facebook password using your Android phone. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to setting. Click on setting. So you get to setting from your Android phone. You need to scroll down. Then you look for Google. Then you click on it. Then from the very point here, the next thing you have to do is to click on manage your Google account. You click on here. Now from the very point here, you need to sweep to this side. And you click on security. And then you scroll down. Then you look for password manager. Now at this point here, this is where you'll be able to see every website you have registered with your Android phone. And you can see from the screen here, I have 2 Facebook accounts. So I'm going to click on it. Now you'll be asked to draw a pattern of your phone. So I'm going to draw a pattern. It's going to unlock. So now for us to see our Facebook password, all you have to do is to click on here. So when you click on it, you will be able to see your password. Then if you want to copy the username and the password and you want to use it to log into your Facebook account, all you have to do is to click on here to copy the username. And you want to copy the password, click on here to copy the password. So this is how you can unveil your Facebook password, username and password without any stress. All you have to do when you copy it is just to go straight to your facebook.com and log in easily. So, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload video about Facebook tutorial, you'll be able to get notified and watch one or two things in the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have question as far as today's tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.